Hello everyone. Confused about JEE Main cutoff, qualifying cutoff, admission cutoff, percentile? Too many terms, right? Don't worry. In this video, we'll break it down in the simplest way possible so you know exactly where you stand in the JEE Main 2026. JEE Main 2026, one exam but multiple cutoffs. Let's understand what these cutoffs mean and how they impact your admission journey. The JEE Main cutoff is more than just a number. It's your gateway to the next stage of your engineering journey. It determines your eligibility for JEE Advanced and plays a key role in the college admissions. But here's the important part. Cutoffs vary by category, institute and admission stage. Understanding this is the first step towards the building a smart strategy. There are two types of cutoffs you must clearly understand. First, the qualifying cutoff. This is the minimum percentile required to be eligible for JEE Advanced, released by the NTA along with the results. Second, it's the admission cutoff. This is the closing rank for colleges like NITs, IIITs and GFTIs during counseling. In simple terms, one will get you eligible and the other will get you a seat. So when can you expect the cutoff? For JEE Main 2026, the qualifying cutoff will be released after Session 2 results. The expected date is 20th April 2026. Keep checking the official website regularly so you don't miss any important updates. Now let's see how to check JEE Main cutoff 2026. Checking your cutoff is simple if you follow the right steps. First, visit the official website of JEE Main and look for the cutoff link in the latest update section. For college-wise cutoff, go to the JOSA website where you can check opening and closing ranks. Also remember, cutoffs are category specific and your rank plays a crucial role. You can also download PDFs for detailed analysis. Now let's see the expected JEE Main 2026 cutoff. Here is a quick look at the expected cutoff trends for 2026. The general category is expected around 93.5 percentile. EWS is around 80 to 83 percentile, whereas OBC is expected around 79 to 82 percentile. And for SC and ST, it may range between 61 to 64 and 48 to 51 percentile respectively. These numbers will help you set a realistic target. So what should you focus on? Stay updated with official announcements. Always compare cutoffs based on your category. Understand the difference between qualifying and admission cutoff. And most importantly, set a clear target score based on expected trends. I hope this information will help you plan smartly and stay ahead in the competition. For more exam updates, cutoff and strategy, please subscribe to College Dunia Exams and stay tuned.